Do you want to learn how to make smart money decisions for your future? Listen, it's not financial advice here. It's for educational purposes only. But while I'm driving here, I want to tell you something. If you're trying to figure out how to grow your money, you're not alone. You know, many people want to invest, but they don't know where to start. But the good news is there are amazing resources available that can really help you learn how to invest wisely and confidently. So I'm going to tell you something here. In this video, we're going to talk about the best investment education options that there are out there so that you can get started today. I'm going to give you 5, okay? Here are 5 great places to begin in your investment journey, okay? Investopedia, that's the first one. Investopedia offers clear, easy to understand articles about investing. Second one is the Motley Fool, and I'll put it all in the description, which provides tips, advice, and stock recommendations for beginners. You have Morningstar. It's great for learning about stocks, mutual funds, and ETFs. You got Khan Academy, which has free videos that explain investing in simple terms. And there's Udemy that has affordable courses on investing that you can take at your own pace. So the more you learn, the more confident you're going to feel about, making smart financial decisions today. So start today. Take control of your future. It's about compound interest. The earlier you start, the bigger snowball you're going to get in the end. And if you like these investment options, leave me a like. I love you.